The graph shows function m, a transformation of f of x equals x to the 1/2. We need to replace it to create the equation for function m. Well, the first immediate piece that I notice is that our graph starts here at -3. So we move the graph 3 spaces left. So when we come down here to answer, this is going to be, if I can get it in there here, and I can't see it now, let's see what happens. So good, I've got that, but then I go back. Not very easy on the iPad. So the x plus 3, and by the way, we can go back into Desmos after we put this in here and check our work. But I'm going to pull my iPad away, or at least scoot it up for a minute so you can see something that I know about the square root function. If we were in the classroom, we'd talk about what the points are on the parent. And the points on the parent function of f of x equals x to the 1/2, by the way, f of x to the 1/2, f of x is the same thing as y, and x to the 1/2 is the same thing as the square root of x. Well, if we take the square root of 0, we get 0. If we take the square root of 1, we get 1. If we take the square root of 4, we get 2. And we take the square root of 9, we get 3. So if we go back and look at the picture on the iPad again, because we've got some number, it's going to be a vertical stretch, and it doesn't even look like it is a vertical stretch. What happens in the parent function is that we would go 1 space to the right and 1 up. But we actually went 1 space to the right and 2 up. Again, if I go back to the parent function, the original would have been 1 space to the right, because that's an x value, we move right or left, and then 1 space up. Well, we move 1 space to the right and 2 up. Again, because this y value changes, it is a vertical stretch. And again, did 1 times 2 to get 2. So it's going to be a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. So when we come back over here to the iPad, easier said than done for me to fill in, but the a then is going to become 2. And again, if we're unsure about that, which I'm sure about it, but go into Desmos, does that match the picture here?